Welcome back everybody to another video. In this video we're working on the Chevy Aveo. It has a TPS sensor error problem that puts it in limp mode, and we're going to replace the throttle body because sadly you can't just buy the TPS sensor. So let's get into it. Step 1, pop yo hood. Here's the part number for the throttle body. It's an Ultra Power from Rock Auto. Part number is TB1031. The throttle body is this guy right here that this intake hose connects to. So that means we need to take the top air box off. We need to disconnect this hose from here. We need to disconnect this connector from the sensor here, and we need to unscrew this clamp, and then this whole top piece will come out and get out of our way. This is all nice and open now. Take a pair of pliers, move these two clamps out of the way, and then you're going to disconnect these hoses. If they've been on there a long time, make sure to get them to rotate first, like this, wiggle it till it breaks free, then you can pull it off. Otherwise you're gonna rip this and you're gonna have to replace it. These two top hoses have coolant in them. So I'm going to take some of the packaging that came with the throttle body, wrap it around the hose, and once that's wrapped around the hose, I'm going to squeeze it with a pair of vice grips so that the coolant doesn't just constantly flow out and make your garage or whatever soaking wet with coolant. Need to disconnect that connector right there. Use a deep 10mm socket to remove the 4 nuts and bolts that hold the throttle body to the intake manifold. Here's another look at the throttle body so you know where the bolts are. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Clean the area and put your new O-ring gasket in. Now all you're going to do is reverse the steps that you did to take it off, put everything back together, and then depending on how much coolant you lost, you may have to top off your coolant reservoir. But other than that, you're done. Hopefully I saved you some money. Hopefully you liked it. So share, subscribe, hit that like button. Till next time, wrench on.